Okay, guys, I'm going to show you a much simpler way to make those crisscross pans because when I did it before, guys, I think I did it so quick that you guys really didn't pick up. So basically, if you guys see this fabric, I got it and I folded it. Let me do it from here, the long way. You guys see this? Y'all see this fabric? And I got the pans on here like this, guys. So basically, what I'm going to do, I'm going to cut this out. Cut this out, guys. And up here at the top, guys, you see it's on a fold. I'm going to take a slit it through, and I'm going to cut this part out. So let me start getting this part cut, guys. And this this would be a real simple, easy process for you guys to make. And I like these a lot. And you can make it like it be a swimsuit cover-up or whatever you desire. So if you guys see it's on the fold, I'm going to split this, open it up off the fold so that can be open. Okay. Okay, right here, where the crouch is, I'm going to open this up, guys. This is the most important part. And then the bigger you want them, guys, cut bigger. Cut the pans bigger. Okay, that's took out. I'm going to cut down here. Cut it going on across, guys. And this will be how you make those crisscross pants, and then 4 tassels going around the side. Okay. Now, I'm going to cut up. And then I'll have the shape for the pants. And then you just sew . Okay. Let me cut this. And then we got the shape for our pants cut out. Now, guys, I want 4 ties. So I'm going to fold this like this, and depending on how long you want them. And I'm going to cut out 4 strips. Okay, I'm going to pull this up a little bit. And then open up this seam in the back. And then I'm going to pin it, guys. I'm going to go make me some coffee. And I'm going to come back and put it together. Okay, so you guys see this? And then I'm going to cut this. So if you guys see, these is the 4 strips. And the pants is cut. Now I'm just going to pin. And then when I'm done, guys, you just take 1 seam and take it around. And then we connect the 4 sides. So on each side, guys, your side should be open. And that's how you make the wrap pans. I think this way it'd be much simpler for y'all to be able to do it. And then we just take the sewing machine and we sew around. And then we got the 4 tassels on the side. And then your pants will be created. And then if you want to hem each side, you can. But a lot of this fabric don't fray. So you really don't have to if you're using a spandex fabric. So okay. So this is what your pants should look like. You should have one thing going around like that. So, and then if you see, it looks like a pair of pants. And then on each side, guys, that's what these 4 scripts is for. So on each side, you sew it right sides together and put your scripts on each corner. And that's going to be how you put together these bell-bottom pants. So you see, 4 of these need to be on each side. Okay, guys, I'm going to go have my coffee. And when I get back, I'll finish putting that together. But that will be your way of making these pants. Alrighty. Okay, guys. You guys see this beautiful neck piece? I can't quite button it myself, but I'm going to sit it down and show you guys the outfit. Okay. You guys see? This is the outfit. I don't know if I will wear this. I just kind of got this choker piece off the neck piece and just grabbed it. But I think it's very, very pretty. But let me take it off because I can't fasten it myself with the nails. But this is a beautiful choker piece that I had got, guys. So anyway, guys, this is the finishing result of the wrap pants. And guys, what I did with the top, you can either take it and go around your neck if you want to. I really just like it kind of hanging out. I doubled the fabric. So guys, this is nothing. I just took it and folded it twice, doubled it, guys, and tied it in a tight knot so that your nipples won't be so revealing. And wrap the pants around. So if you guys are going to an all white out, guys, and you want to have on something so cute, and then if you got some additional fabric, you could just, you know, depending on if it get cool at night, you could just drape something like this over the shoulders. So like if it's kind of a little chilly at night, so you could do like a lot of this Floyd fabric. You could just do so much with it, guys. You can just go to town with this fabric, guys. So I just took another piece and just draped it over my shoulder, guys. So yes, guys, if you guys want to make these wrap pants, and a little later on, guys, I'm going to do a wrap skirt doing this version. I'm going to take a piece of fabric and do it this way, then I'm going to overlap it, and I'm going to try and do a pretty wrap skirt. But these pants are very beautiful, flowy, and forgiving, guys. So as always, guys, thank you guys so much for watching. God bless. Bye-bye. Okay, guys, here are a couple still shots. So if you guys want to make these wrap pants, guys, I hope this video was much more simpler for you guys to follow. So as always, happy sewing, guys. Have an amazing day. Bye-bye.